Hi, I am Pankaj Kumar Yadav, currently working in NLC India Ltd, Barsinse Project Rajasthan as Deputy Chief Manager. We have started this cybersecurity training and ethical hacking course in Indian cybersecurity solutions. So, uh, in this training program, our aim was to get familiar with the basics of ethical hacking and how to use ethical hacking to secure our own company's website data and cyber platform. So yeah, through this training actually we able to know the all the basics and what is the mindset behind a hacker and how we can find the vulnerabilities in our web applications and in our on our devices also, and how anyone can exploit those things. So these things were provided and taught in this training session, and the most important about this training is that we get to know the theory part also and live testing also, live practical sessions that are very good, and by hands-on experience we got the confidence of doing the things and how we can make ourselves better and experience in this field. Thank you.
Yeah, sir, from your side.
Okay, so my name is Saurabh. I am also currently working in NLC India Ltd. So since starting day, we taught from basic of the Python, and after that we started journey of our basic cybersecurity training, and day by day we step up and go good hands-on experience of our basic tools like cybersecurity of and hacking tools as well. So overall, it is very good experience for us also, and it and uh, here also we learn that how we can protect our data, our system, and our company data. So overall it is good exposure, good hands-on experience. Your this ICSS also show the live demo of the in website, ongoing web website. So overall it is good. Thank you.
Yeah, so all the vulnerabilities you have explained means each and everything, cross-site scripting,
Yeah.
yeah, each and OTP bypass,
Yes,
each and
very
everything
much.
we have learned.
Everything
We have learned the ops top 10 vulnerabilities
Ops
what
top 10
currently there,
vulnerability.
what are they actually means, and we have solved the labs also. So it would gives us a good command over that also, and we will try to get more and more testing and practice so that it
and
will make
all
us more.
and all the practical means practical is aligned with this theory also.
Yes, yes. That was initially I
Practical.
told now. The most important and good thing about this training course is that
Live.
theory is going with live practical
Live
sessions.
demo,
Live
live
demo.
on-site,
And
On
online demo, online
means each and everything is aligned
each and
with the
everything
practical
practical
also.
also.
Okay, fine. So thank you, sir. So
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
yeah,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.